Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am hijacked, a YouTuber and fashion designer based in Enugu State, Nigeria. To all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you, and to my new viewers, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share to your friends, and always leave your notification buttons on so you could be the first to be notified whenever I post my videos. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare okwa as I promised in my other video. The condiments needed for this are dry cayenne pepper, ehuru, African nutmeg, uziza seed, black pepper, salt, lastly palm oil. So to prepare the okwa, you will first of all dry fry the dried pepper. Please, an asthmatic patient is not allowed to be in this space to avoid health emergencies that may occur. Once the pepper turns brown, set aside in a plate to cool off. Then go on to fry the ehuru for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on the thickness of your frying pan. Then you set it also aside to cool off. You go on over to fry the uziza seed. Once it starts popping, take it out and allow it to cool off in a plate. Because I would like the ehuru to be smoothly grinded, I will break them into smaller bits with any object I see around. It will also help preserve the blades of the blender. Blending time! Now we have to add the ehuru, the uziza seed and pepper into the all-deserving royal dry blending machine. So I will now have to blend till I get the texture I need and set it aside. Time to mix. I'll go over to my already set okwa. Then I will pour in the pepper into the okwa. Sprinkle salt to taste and pour in oil. Turn with spoon so that the whole thing will mix well. Add more oil till you get your desired paste texture. You will stir the mixture to get it properly mixed and also add enough oil till you get your desired paste texture. You can enjoy this mixture with bitter cola nuts, garden egg, stockfish, dry meat, and drive it home with a chilled bottle of palm wine. As I was getting ready to enjoy the pepper sauce with my guests, meanwhile that's the garden egg, cola nuts, and dry meat. After pouring my own portion of the palm wine, we were getting set and something happened. While we were at it, digging in and eating, and having a little chit chat.
You guys need to taste this.
The whole flavor came out very nice.
Say that ehuru. But I don't know that they used to use meat with pepper.
You can use it with anything.
Yeah.
Especially anything you need. With stockfish, dry fish.
Serious.
This is the locally prepared. Voila, they came and hijacked everything. It was fun. They enjoyed it and I'm happy. I hope you try this at home if you really desire this true traditional African taste. I hope today's video was insightful and interesting. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to do that. Always leave your notification button on. And don't forget to like, comment, share to your friends. Bye till we meet again.